Heard you signed your life for that brand new chain.
What's up guys, it's Fedora and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a thumbnail on your iPhone device, and any device is good really. And yeah, it's really easy, so let's get started. The apps that you're going to be needing is an app called PicsArt, and it'll be in this description box below. So when you click on that, what should appear is like this really big icon at the bottom. It's a plus sign, and then click edit. And then now you want to find a background for your picture, the background of your thumbnail, if that makes any sense. If you don't have one, then what you do is you would go to Safari and you would search up a background. Any background is fine. I'm gonna pick an ombre background, but you see, it's all about your thumbnail, so you just pick whatever you want. So once you're done, click on images and then just find any picture that you want. I'm gonna click this picture and then just screenshot it. You should already know how to screenshot. I might do a video on that, but just screenshot it. And that was in my way, so I'm gonna screenshot it again. And then just click on that photo and then crop it so that you only see the background, and save to photos. So now you want to go to PicsArt again and then click on that plus sign and edit, and then you're going to click that background. Now you have a background for your thumbnail, and there's a lot of ads, and if you don't want ads, then just click airplane mode, and then go to text and then just put your the title of your video. Click the check in the top right corner and then just change your font. I'm gonna pick stroke dimension, and just you could change the stroke a little bit, make it change up the size and stuff. And once you've got it to your desired spot in font, then just click the check, and then now you can add more text. I'm gonna put on an iPhone because that's very important. So yeah, and I'm just gonna change the font and everything. Change up the size, and then once I'm done, click apply. And now you can go to a lot of things like effects, stickers, and I'm gonna go to add photos, and I'm gonna add a photo of an iPhone PNG, and the link for this will be in the description box below, so make sure you find that. And then just size it up a bit, make sure it's to what you want it to be. And now where you want to go to is you want to go to add photo again, and then you can add a PicsArt PNG of the icon, because that is one of the apps that we're going to be using, so that will just indicate it. And now go on crop, and then you can crop it out a bit, and so just because it'll show the PicsArt only. And that should be good. And then I'm gonna put it on the iPhone. I don't know why, just to show that it's we're using PicsArt on an iPhone device. I don't know, but yeah. And just try to add whatever you can, and I'm gonna go to add photo and try to add something else. I don't really have anything else to add, so we're gonna go to you can go to all of these, but we're gonna go to stickers, and we're gonna pick all these stickers, and they're really nice. The ones with the crown on them means that you have to purchase it, so just be in mind of that. Just add some really cute pictures for no apparent reason. So yeah, if we can't find anything else, so let's scroll down. You really don't need that much stuff on a thumbnail. I think I'm gonna just download that and get that. And yeah, click apply, and then now you can go to effects, and they're just basically filters. They should name it filters, but they name it effects. So I think I'm gonna pick HDR. And yeah, so now you can also go to something called borders, and then it'll just put a nice border around your thumbnail. And you can also go to draw and draw stuff, but we're not gonna do draw. We're gonna go to brushes instead, because there's this really cool thing, and if you pick a flower, then it'll be really cool, because you can drag your finger around and then underline the words or do whatever you want. I'm gonna put this little sparkling thing, and yeah. And you can also go other effects on other effects, or things, whatever you want to call them, brushes. And I just picked a rainbow, and what's really cool about it is that the rainbow, it's it seems realistic, and it's not just a rain. Like, it seems very realistic, like what you would see in a puddle, and it's really cool. That's basically it. You can always add more photos, add more stickers, whatever you want. It is your thumbnail, and yeah, I'm just going to stick with this one for the purpose of this video. I'm not really going to add it, but just click on the top right corner, this little arrow, and then click save, and then click save again, and it's already saved to your gallery, and yeah. So if you want to just go to photos, and it should be there, right there. So yeah. If you guys would like to know how to upload a thumbnail, just leave a comment below. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.